Hello 8th graders and 8th grade families. I wanted to share a quick tutorial to make sure that everyone can easily access the important information, instruction, and assignments in Google Classroom. When you get to our classroom, you're going to be taken immediately to the course stream. This actually isn't a great place to get all your information. You can scroll through and see everything that's been posted. But the best way to view course information is to click on the Classwork tab up at the top of the page. When you click on Classwork, you'll see that everything's organized by week. For Online Learning Week 3, which is this week, there are currently 2 items posted. The first includes a link to this week's schedule. I'll be posting a calendar of due dates just like this one at the start of each week, usually either on Sunday evening or Monday morning. And they'll always look a little something like this. You can see that I've got everything organized by due date. I've got due dates listed over on the left, along with important information, instruction, and links listed over on the right. Just like that. You'll also see in Online Learning Week 3 that I've got an assignment posted. When you look at the assignment from this view, you'll see the title, and over here you'll see the due date. When you click on the assignment, it'll take you to some instructions. It'll tell you the due date. Over here you can see that I've got an article posted. That's the first thing students will be doing for this assignment. And then there's a Google form that you need to complete by the due date. So you can see how going to Classwork is going to make it much easier to understand what's happening during each course week. Another great tool in Google Classroom is the calendar. If you hover over these 3 little lines on the left side of the screen and then click, you'll see that you have access to a calendar. The calendar opens up to display all of the days of the week, along with assignments that are due on each day. I strongly encourage students to view both the calendar and the Classwork tab to get a solid handle on all the assignments and instruction that need to be completed each week. And please, if you have any questions, send me an email or write a private comment in Google Classroom. Thanks so much, and I hope this helps. Bye-bye.